I'm Shelody with Udonian Sale and Realty Group, and if you're looking for lakefront luxury without the taxes, this Amherst Junction property is the one to see. No detail has been missed in this gourmet kitchen, designed by Welling with quartz countertops and custom cabinetry. Property is the total package, offering multi-generational living, many accessibility features, and Lake Emily access. It won't last long.